Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, we are going to be looking at S&P. We need to have a pullback, and then we'll be talking about my Amazon positions and BYND and Tesla for the shareholders news tomorrow. We'll be looking at people expecting two rate cuts. I'm only looking at one. In order to have interest rate cut, the economy must be doing really bad. But the day after Fed talk about we are going to have rate cuts, the market had a V-shaped recovery. It's quite bullish. If you watched my video back a week ago, I talked about we are going to go back to at least the 200 days EMA at 27.76. I was long that Monday, and then on Tuesday it was skyrocketing, and I sold some position here, and I long again on Thursday, and then I sold on Friday afternoon. So right now, Monday, wow, 30 points, 30 points move today, but then we close and in a doji. Doesn't mean we'll go down, doesn't mean we'll go up. But as for now, I have some short positions in Amazon, in SPY, and Tesla. And I'll explain why I'm shorting this for tomorrow. It doesn't mean that we can go higher, but as for now, with this kind of candle doji, and we are just one day, we achieved half of the expected move, and I'll explain that in a second. So first, we're gonna talk about Amazon. Amazon, if you recall, last Monday we had some kind of antitrust news. The probes caused Amazon to drop about like 6%. I immediately long Amazon at the end of the day that day. I know it was going to recover. So right now Amazon gap open today, and we have a gap at 1820ish. Went to the high of 1885. I added a short position at 1872. So I'll be targeting Amazon to have this kind of pullback tomorrow inside this candle, and then maybe I'll get lucky to get this gap to be filled, and then we go back up higher. I'll be targeting Amazon 2000 pre-earning on July 25th. So Amazon is a buying opportunity on pullbacks. Okay, Amazon is a buying opportunity. So next one, we're looking at Beyond Meat. This thing is way overcooked, and I believe that it is time for this to come down very soon. I have a psychological level at 200. So when that hit, it's going to be a shorting zone at 185. Right now the high is 186. 200 is where I'll be targeting. Am I gonna long this? No, I would not. If you want to long Beyond Meat, you can buy some not calls. You can buy shares, because calls are overpriced. Puts are way overpriced too. The best thing to do on Beyond Meat is on intraday basis. You see a top, you think that's a top, and then you buy puts, and then you sell it at the end of the day. Like today, 186 went down like 20 points. So Beyond Meat is something that's gonna be on my watch list. Next one, Tesla. 180 was the historical support. We bounced off at 176, 177. Huge bounce, gap filled. And the next one I'll be looking at is $222. But is it going to hit? So if you recall, every time Tesla has some kind of shareholder meeting or whatever conference they have, the days before that, it's always pump. So again, buy the rumor, sell the news. So Tesla, we have some shareholder meeting tomorrow, I believe in the PM. So expect Tesla to keep on pumping, and then into the news and after hours, it could be a dump. I mean, it's always like that. I've been watching Tesla for the past couple of months, and every time they have some kind of news going on, conference call, Elon Musk hosting a conference, the day after that, huge dump, because most of the time did not meet the expectation of what we really think is going to happen. So Tesla, this is sort of a dead cat bounce, fill the gap, and the resistance coming back up. I think Tesla is going to come down to 205, 200, at least to test the EMAs down here. We are kind of far away from the EMAs. I have some short positions in Tesla, just one. I'm going to hold it through the conference call tomorrow. Next one I want to talk about is the long-term outlook on the S&P SP 500. So gotta give both the credit of this V-shaped recovery and thanks to the Fed. So what's the next outlook we'll be looking at? All-time high. I'll be looking at all-time high very soon. We just need to have some sort of healthy pullback to at least the 28.75, 28.60 in order for us to shoot higher. We need to cool down the RSI, and we need to trap more bears. So that I'll be looking at. And then if you look right here, the previous level, which is at the 28.77 and then 28.56. If you look above 2900, today we have a rejection at the 2905. Let's call it the 2900 area. So it doesn't mean that we cannot go past it tomorrow. It's just that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll call it 6 days gapping to the upside. That is crazy. For the past 5 days, we gapped up. So what are the chances of one more day gapping up? Very small. So that's why I have some short positions inside S&P at the end of day today. And I'll be looking at a pullback tomorrow before I go long. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, in the next video.